Yo, just want to let y'all know that my girl over here is going hard in the paint. You know what I'm saying? She over here, you know what I'm saying, getting her hands dirty. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? I ain't doing shit really. You know what I'm saying? So mac and cheese looking all fleet. You feel? You feel me, right? You know what I'm saying? She got the baked beans. You feel me, cuz? She got the baked beans, you know what I'm saying? Everything ain't done. She got the meatballs cooking, cuz. The meatballs is cooking, you know what I'm saying? It is cooking, you know what I'm saying? She over here making this nasty ass stuffing, but we ain't gonna even talk about that, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm making some dressing too, you know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? She going hard out in the paint, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? She is going hard in the pizzing. You know what I'm saying? Turkey about to start cooking, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? We out here in these streets, cuz, you know what I'm saying? Man, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to be eating all day. I might get sick tomorrow.
Apple
you know
pie,
what I'm
pumpkin
saying?
pie.
Apple pie, pumpkin pie. You know what I'm saying?
Cookies, homemade.
Homemade cookies, you heard me? You know what I'm saying? Y'all better come get y'all some food, cuz, you know what I'm saying? I had to do that. You know what I'm saying? I had to do that, you feel me? I'm gonna make sure y'all subscribe down below. You know what I'm saying?
Ring the bell.
Ring the bizzle, you feel me? Alright, peace out.